Confused about Pinokio and ComfyUI? Let me clear this up. They're not really competitors. Here's what you actually need to know. First, understand this. Pinokio and ComfyUI aren't the same type of tool. Pinokio is like an app store for AI programs. It installs and it manages AI tools with one click. ComfyUI is an actual AI image generator. It uses nodes to create complex image workflows. Think of it this way. Pinokio is the installer and ComfyUI is one of the apps you can install. In fact, you can actually install ComfyUI through Pinokio. So comparing them is like comparing the App Store to Instagram. They work together, not against each other. Here's where it gets interesting. Pinokio makes installing ComfyUI super easy. Normally, setting up ComfyUI takes hours. You need Python, dependencies, models, and lots of troubleshooting. With Pinokio, you click install and it handles everything. All the technical stuff happens automatically. No command lines, no errors, no headaches. Once installed, you use ComfyUI like normal. The node-based interface lets you create amazing image generation workflows. You can connect different AI models, add effects, and build complex pipelines. Pinokio just makes things easier. Use Pinokio when you want easy installation of any AI tool. It has hundreds of apps beyond just ComfyUI. Image generators, voice tools, video makers, everything. Use ComfyUI when you need powerful image generation with total control. The node system gives you way more flexibility than simple prompt boxes. So, which is better? That's the wrong question. Use Pinokio to install ComfyUI, then use ComfyUI to make images. They're partners, not rivals. Pinokio removes the pain of setup, and ComfyUI gives you the power of professional image generation. Bottom line, install Pinokio first, then use it to install ComfyUI and other AI tools. You get the best of both worlds. Easy setup and powerful creation. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.